Welcome back to another Melt tutorial. Today I'm teaching you how to find rhythm in your massage. Rhythm is super important. Call me crazy, but I'd say that rhythm is up there, if not more important than knowing how to release muscles. There are 4 parts to finding rhythm, right? And it follows a repeating pattern in a circular motion. We did this last week. We talked about patterns and chord progressions in music as a way to relate to our massages. You see how it's a journey? Working its way back home. And working through this looping sequence is going to help you find rhythm. First part, the massage stroke. All right, this is slow. The stroke is intentional and very deliberate. Guys, lean on your oil. So you want to make really good use of the oil drag. I'm using a broad stroke to make the massage part feel incredibly big. Now this stroke is very intentional. It feels like it's a massage stroke. I talk about how powerful a good pause can be. Stay. Huh? I'm pretty proud of that scene. All right, so the pause, really important part of your massage stroke. I like to pause to emphasize that we've come to the end of the stroke. The brush back. Now this is light. You can see I'm leading with my palms. My fingertips are trailing behind. I'm not contouring. I'm just brushing my stroke all the way back to the very top. This is a faster movement than the massage stroke. Now we get to the pivot, and this is where we join the 2 strokes together. The brush back joins up with the massage stroke, and we start the whole thing all over again. Now here's the key. If you want to find rhythm, you follow those 4 steps or those 4 parts, and you stay consistent. So we're slow during the massage stroke, intentional. We want to make our partner feel like it is a massage. We pause. We brush back, which is faster and lighter than the massage stroke. There needs to be a contrast. We'll talk about this in a second. And then at the very end of the brush back, there's a pivot and we start all over again. And working through this looping sequence is going to help you find rhythm. Let's have a chat about the male brain, because if you're anything like me, you're thinking to yourself, wait a minute, Dennis, I already have figured out how I can be more efficient and get this done in half the amount of time and be twice as effective if I massage in one direction and then massage in the direction back. I get where you're going with this. Trust me, I've tried it. It doesn't work. It overloads the brain. There's too much massage content that's coming along. We need a contrast, right? We need to massage in one direction and then brush back to the very beginning to give our partner a chance to process what we're actually doing. Here's what I'm going to do. Let's do this entire massage stroke again in real time, and I'm going to talk you through what our partner is experiencing as your hands are going through these 4 parts. This is really good. This contouring stroke, it's large and makes our partner feel safe. She's thinking, it's nice, and his hands feel so warm. I then add deep tissue to the forearms. Oh, it's tight in there. I trail down to the fingertips and pause. Her forearms are still releasing. As I brush back, she's already feeling lighter. The stroke starts again. This feels familiar and she can relax into it. At this point, she's thinking, I wonder if he'll do the forearms thing again. I dip in. Oh, that's good, but bad, but so good. Again, the pause gives her time to process the release. She now knows what to expect with this stroke and anticipation begins. She's thinking, I feel so relaxed. I wonder if he'll do the forearm thing again. I hope he does the forearm thing again, like he's working towards the forearm. Oh my God, it's happening. It's happening. Wow, that's so close to pain, but the release feels so incredible. All right, so let's have a chat about the massage stroke, because this is where all the magic happens, and this is where you can really begin to be flamboyant. So we know during the massage stroke, our partner's like, oh my God, this feels amazing. So how can we make it even more amazing? Now, if you have my masterclass, which if you don't, after this, I'll put a link towards the masterclass and I want you to go have a look. There's so much good stuff in there. There's a part of the masterclass that I call highlights, right? Where we can use this massage stroke in a looping fashion, but we can add highlights during the actual massage stroke, that downstroke. And you can highlight on a golf ball. You can highlight on the deltoids. You can highlight on the forearms. Here you can highlight on biceps or try. It depends on what your partner likes and what they're into. You know, like I did biceps workout today, so a highlight on my biceps would feel amazing in this downward stroke. You can literally do this loop 20, 30 times and highlight on different sections. And this can happen over and over again. Your partner won't get bored at all. If anything, they're going to be like, wow, that felt good. Let that happen again. And then it happens again and like, oh my God, that felt good. I want that to happen again. And then you do it again and you just watch your partner just melt and melt. And it's amazing. Let's cover rhythm real quick. Following those 4 parts and being consistent throughout those 4 parts, slow during the massage stroke, pause, fast brush back, pivot. Put that on repeat and we start finding rhythm. If you can maintain consistency. Remember last week we were talking about patterns and our brains being able to pick up patterns really easily. When you start being erratic, then your partner starts going, all right, there's a pattern that I don't understand here. But if you can stay consistent, you're going to find rhythm and your partner's going to understand the pattern. They're going to enjoy the rhythm of slow in, fast brush back, and the pauses and the joining up together, making this loop being consistent. It feels incredible. I want you to go check out the masterclass. Like everything that I talk about, everything that I teach on the YouTube channel is already built into the masterclass, so you don't have to think about it. This is what I love about it so much, is literally you play it on your TV, on your laptop, iPad, whatever device you've got, and you follow along so the two of you can get to the fun stuff. I mean, sure, this is fun. I like doing this. I'm sure you like watching it and learning a lot, but it doesn't beat you getting your hands on your partner. Nothing beats watching your partner just go, oh my God, that feels amazing, or having them doing it to you. So the masterclass, like all this stuff built in, you don't have to think about it. I take you through the levels, I take you through the stages, I show you what your hands should be doing so you can literally just do. All right, see you next week, you guys. I'm out. 2 things. My hair. Fuck, I hate it. I hate it. I'm not sure what's going on. I've got this Denis Merkas thing happening at the back, and I get the irony of my name being Denis. And, like, top, is it too tight? It's not meant to be. I've just been working out a lot lately, and I'm trying to push the blues. That's $60 top too, it's brand new. It wasn't this tight when I bought it. Fuck it, I don't care. Let's begin.